Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome back, and I'm back. Okay, today we will discuss about 6 examples of dart positions. If you still remember, during our tutorial number 5, we discussed about the different dart locations. To begin our tutorial for today, we are needing a paper scissor, a marker, a pencil, an eraser, and we need a ruler, but it's better to use this one. Side and under bust dart, yeah? So let's measure from here to here around 2.5 inches. Okay, let's put a cross line like that. We will cut this, close, cut this, and open. Try to cut this, alright. Cut this one, at the side. So let's cut this one. As we discussed before, slash, close. That is only the rule. Slash, close, slash, close. Okay. There you go. So you have side dart and under the bust dart. Now, put one paper here, like that. Okay. Tape it. From this point, you can go down 2 centimeters or 3¼ inch from here to here. Then from here, put your new line. Okay. So this is now your under bust dart, and this is the side dart. And this one a bit there, you can do. You can make until 1¼ there. Then this one. So this is your side. Okay, so this is our side and under bust dart. Like this. There you go. You can make this one and then cut. You will find it very easy, right? Okay. This is your side and under bust dart. Okay. So we have another one here. This is the under bust dart. So we will close this one and we will have only one dart in this position. So the same thing, slash, close, slash and close, slash and close. Right? Slash also this one. You need to understand, in the construction of dart, you should always start in the tip. So slash, close. Okay, and that's it. You will put a small piece of paper there because you will drop this one. 1¼ there. Okay, it's now our new dart. Alright, so this is your another type of dart. The same thing. Center front. So this is your dart number 2, and we will call this one under bust dart. You can cut this later, and that's it. Then we will make our dart position number 3. Side dart. To do this, same thing, from the armhole, 1 like this. Okay, and what is the rule? Slash slash close. Let's cut this. Close, because we are constructing the side dart. Slash and close. Again, we are needing a small paper. Cut this one. And then from the point here, we will go out here by 1 1/4. Then connect this one. Connect this. The new dart. Alright. This is now the new position of side dart. Okay. Visible. Okay, like that. Here. There. Okay, then let's go to the next. And now we will create dart position number 4, and we will call it neckline dart. Put one line there. So from there we will slash, cut this. Close this. Okay. Then we slash again here. Close. Then we need to put a small paper here. So we put small paper here. From here, 1 1/4, and connect that one to neckline. Here. So we will call this line dart. There you go. Center front, neckline dart. Visible those. Then we can cut later. Alright, so that's it. So we have another one here, our position number 5, and we will call this one French dart. Usually, if you heard French dart, this is there. So let's put one line here. So again, slash, close, slash, close. So slash this one. Okay. And then there. So we are needing only one dart here, French. So here, we slash this, right, and close, there. So we have a French dart. Put a piece of paper. From here, 1 1/4 is perfect. Okay, then let's connect this east. So this is now the new dart. There. This is now the French dart. number 6 in the dart position, we will call this one center front dart. From the center, let's just put one straight line like that. Right. Same thing, slash, close, and slash. Slash this. We will make the dart in the front. Maybe you are wondering, what is that? Let's see. We make like this. Okay, let's close this, and then we cut also this one, and close. Now you are wondering the dart of this. I will show you. This, each up to you. If you want this to be fold and the dart is there, or you want this to be fold and the dart is there. But it's much better to look like a T. So let's close this part and open here. So what we can do is like this. When you put the mark like this, okay, this you put center front on fold. This means this part is close. So if this is your shirt, right? Okay, example, this is your shirt. So you have one dart in the front and one dart there. So this is this dart. This is what we are doing now. This, the front dart. I hope you're following, yeah? Okay, so that's it. The distance is exactly this point in the nipple. But in the stitching, you will stitch the dart at least quarter away from the point, so it's not sticking out like that. Okay, so this is our number 6. It, right? There you go. So we are done. Yeah, thank you very much. I do hope you learned something today, and stay tuned for the next video.